Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm fixing my hair guys because I'm just finished take a bath and I oil my hair. I put oil, hair oil on my hair and it's I don't have in a while guys I go to work. Sometimes, sometimes. Love this way again. So I know I'll never love this way again. Thank you for watching, guys. As I always said, keep safe, everyone. It's already winter season, guys. I have sinus. That's why, like, my voice is changed. I'm have sinusitis, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. to all my friends that always commented on my videos. Thank you so much, guys. I'm not fluent in English, that's why I'm talking too much, but I don't know if you understand, if you'd understand me, but hopefully yes. Thank you so much, guys. And it's already winter season, and now here it's already cold in Middle East. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.